Okay, folks. I'm out and about, rolling strong on the Tesla chopper. I said, you know what? Let me just go ahead and throw the camera up on the handlebars. I'll take y'all with me. Some people, they love these little driving / walking tours. You know, I'm going. There we go. So anyhow, I said, you know what? Let me fire it up. For those of you who like to see the sights and the sounds and the roads, you know, a little bit more than just sitting on a bar stool. So I'll just take you with me. Oh Lord, them bumps. Between the speed bumps, and I call them the inverted speed bumps, basically the damn holes in the road, the potholes. The roads over here, they're rough on a Tesla chopper. I think at some point I'm gonna have to take the Tesla chopper in and have everything tightened up before something falls off. Got to get the brakes looked at because the back brakes ain't never worked. So I take it in, tell them, hey, check the back brakes, fix that, tighten up the handlebars, tighten up anything that looks loose. Check under the hood, because I'm not babying this thing. You know, some people baby their gear. I mean, I take care of my gear, but I'm not gonna baby it. It's here to work. It's here for a purpose. It's not here to last 20 years and look good underneath the carport. You know, a lot of dudes, a lot of y'all in the States, you got Harleys, you got motorcycles, whatever. And I bet a lot of y'all, you got a brand new Harley and that damn thing's probably got like 850 miles on it. You've had it for years. Yeah, that's not me. I got a damn motorcycle or a motorbike or a Tesla chopper. I'm putting some miles on it. So I think this thing needs a checkup. Gonna have to go in for a checkup. Make sure everything's good to go. No thank you, my friend, but appreciate your hustle. Thank you. Don't need a buck knife, a belt, or a wallet. Not in the market for that right now. Maybe later on I might be. Not right now. Hello everyone. Hello. Hello. Pop out here at the Tiger Hotel and I'll take y'all down through the middle of the action. Why not? See what's going on here. See if my door greeter's out there, the Fresh Options. I haven't seen her the last couple times I've been over here. No, she's not there. Sweet girl, always opening the door for you at the Fresh Options. And I'm thinking I might get rained on. I've been telling the old lady, you know, don't take the Tesla chopper out in the rain. I just told y'all I don't baby it. But in the same sense, wasn't no use in getting the thing all flooded out for no reason. But if I'm out and about, okay, 58.55 on your exchange rate, 58.55. Yeah, so if I'm out and about and I get caught in the rain, so be it. It'll be the monsoon test of the Tesla chopper. Come on down here. I think I can spin around and look at that. Just took them down. I didn't even leave first gear. Come on around me, man. Shit, I'm flicking up to second. Flick it on up to second gear. Might blow my cowboy hat off. Come on out there, dog. I'll let you out. Come on out there. Okay, so you just wanted to go right there and get in my fucking way. such a big hurry to get across the goddamn road. Sometimes I'm just too damn nice. I think that's what's happening. What happens? Now, which way am I gonna take y'all? Am I gonna go right down the middle of Walker Street? I don't know. No. Yeah, why not? Ooh, rolling strong down through the middle of here. A lot of cars out, some ladies out. That's like an understatement, right? Saying that there's ladies out on Walking Street. Angel Witch rocking it as usual. Used to be Voodoo. Open 24 hours a day. So if you get here at 2 in the morning, just drop your stuff at the hotel. Head on over there to Angel Witch. I always used to catch some red eyes, get in here about 2. I'll be at Voodoo at about 2:15. Wouldn't even unpack, just drop my bags. Whoa, whoa, just the chopper. I just dropped my bags and head on over there. Got the trash truck going on. A little bit of a traffic jam here. Don't know what the problem is. You can't make this entertainment up. But let me just show you. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what the problem is. Oh, it's that mirror. Had the mirror sticking out. Holding up traffic, folks. That's pure entertainment. I'm not in no hurry. And you know what? I was going to do a specific video talking about why do expats and retirees get in a big hurry when they're retired. Makes no fucking sense, but they do. Y'all do. If you're retired, you ain't got no fucking place to be. So is it worth trying to hurry people up to get there 20 seconds sooner to the fucking pool tournament? No, it's not. Just fucking chill out, relax. You're fucking retired. I don't even wear a watch. I ain't worn a watch in over 10 years. At least one that works. For me, a watch is a jewelry piece. That's the only reason I got a watch, because sometimes I like to accessorize my fashion. Pulled right up here to 583 Travel. See if I can pull up on the curb. Oh yes! Look at that. I think she said 2,800. Don't hold me to it. I think it's 2,800 for the exit clearance if they help you there. Computer's back up, so you can do it at Marquee Mall. If you don't have that number on your iCard, you got to go over and get all your biometrics entered into the system. I think I'm gonna stop in, just have me one beer at the Scorebirds, sit by the pool.